Indo Western Astro Federation organised largest conference in London, Ireland and Scotland. Swami Advaitananda honoured with the most prestigious Victoria Cross Award. London, Indo Western Astro Federation organised largest conference in London, Ireland and Scotland. This event will be held from the 19th of July to the 29th of July 2025. Eminent astrologers from all over the world have been invited to this conference. Dr. Swami Advaitananda Nyayatirtha Rajeshwari Durgamandir Sevashrama and Nigamananda mission were invited as special guests in London. Swami Advaitananda has published 2 books in Astrology Palmistry with quantum science. Another book is Vedic Prarthana by chief guest Mrs. Alex from USA. Eminent Astrologer Western Astrologer's speech about uplifting Vedic astrology in Swami Advaitananda's speech is another milestone in Astrology Spiritual world. Swami Ji says astrology is a pure science of quantum world. Swami Advaitananda honoured with the most prestigious Victoria Cross Award. Swami Ji at Scotland Conference and Ireland Conference. Advaitananda and other Nyayatirtha IAF Kolkata brand ambassadors were addressed. For more information, watch the special report of DKS Times in which Swami Advaitananda Ji said what.
সম্প্রতি লন্ডনে আয়োজিত হলো একটি বিশেষ জ্যোতিষ বাস্তু ট্যারো বৈদিক সম্মেলন লন্ডন কনফারেন্সে 19শে জুলাই থেকে 29শে জুলাই পর্যন্ত লন্ডন, আয়ারল্যান্ড, স্কটল্যান্ড এই দেশগুলিতে সমস্ত পৃথিবীর সমস্ত দেশের মানুষেরা এসে উপস্থিত হয়েছে। আমরা ভারতীয় হিসেবে এই কনফারেন্সে যোগদান করে বিশেষ আনন্দিত হয়েছি এবং সমস্ত দেশ বিদেশের বিশিষ্ট জ্ঞানী জ্যোতিষবর্গ তাদের মূল্যবান বক্তব্য রেখেছেন। আমি স্বামী অদ্বৈতানন্দ রাজেশ্বরী শ্রী দুর্গামন্দির নিগমানন্দ মিশন স্বামী অদ্বৈতানন্দ ন্যায়তীর্থ লন্ডনে আয়োজিত এই বিশেষ জ্যোতিষ কনফারেন্সে জ্যোতিষ সম্বন্ধীয় বিজ্ঞান সম্পর্কিত সম্বন্ধীয় বিষয়কে নিয়ে কোয়ান্টাম ফিজিক্স, কোয়ান্টাম মেকানিক্স এবং কোয়ান্টাম থিওরির সঙ্গে অ্যাস্ট্রোলজির যে বৈজ্ঞানিক কানেকশন রয়েছে এবং এটি যে পুরোপুরি বিজ্ঞান সেই বিষয়ে বিশেষভাবে বক্তব্য প্রদান করেছি এবং অন্যান্য জ্যোতিষীরাও সম্পূর্ণ সুন্দরভাবে সাবলীলভাবে তাদের বক্তব্যকে তুলে ধরেছেন এবং আমেরিকা থেকে আগত মিসেস অ্যালেক্স তিনি তার বই এখানে আমাদের হাতে প্রদান করেছেন। আমি স্বামী অদ্বৈতানন্দ গর্বিত অ্যাজ এ বাঙালি ভারতীয় হিসেবে যে লন্ডনে আয়োজিত অনুষ্ঠানে এখানকার সবথেকে প্রেস্টিজিয়াস অ্যাওয়ার্ড ভিক্টোরিয়া ক্রস এবং অন্যান্য হিজ এক্সেলেন্সি অ্যাওয়ার্ড দ্বারা সম্মানিত করেছেন এবং জ্যোতিষের জয় হোক, সনাতন ধর্মের জয় হোক এই বার্তা প্রদান করছি।
Research are vital, but most of the people related to this subject are using it as a tradition. Some people related to this subject are using it to earn money only. Some people are using it to exploit others for their self. Some people are using it to please high officials and ministers, etc. Astrology and astrologers have existed since the dawn of human civilization with empirical correlation. Astrology has enjoyed more than its share of importance among masses. As a subject of interest, astrology does have a large number of time-tested planetary position and combination which clearly shows the effect of planets on human life as a whole. Scientists, on the other hand, do not consider astrology as a science, mainly because of its empirically. In the scientific world, the word astrology is a taboo. Anybody mentioning the word itself will be treated as an outcast. I am Dr. Swami Advaitananda, a student of astrophysics also. I tell you the truth, astro-science relation. Hence a correlation between the influence of planets on one hand and the genetic material consisting of atoms and molecules of living beings. On the other was considered to be only possible if it involves the quantum world of atoms and molecules. Theory of relativity of Einstein in relation to space-time distortion and time lag of planetary influence. String, superstring brane theories, dark energy and dancing effects of planets are likely candidates for behind astrology. Astrology as the quantum level of science. Here in this conference hall in London, we are all astrologers to redefine their opinion on astrology and take up a well-defined scientific study. Astrology pertains an enormous necessity and implication to human way of living not only on this planet but also on others. When human beings colonize them in future, here I see and astonished the truth. I was at the moment that an apple fell. It was supposed to have fallen on the head of an extraordinary scientist of all times, Sir Isaac Newton. Whether this incident occurred or not is not important, but the outcome was an important concept of a force which baffles scientists. Even today, gravity. He proposed that planets are held together in their orbits around the sun by the balancing centrifugal and centripetal forces. Further, he proposed that all the objects drawn to the earth fall on the earth, and they do so by a constant acceleration with different forces acting on them depending their masses. This explained Galileo experiment, where two bodies of different weights, when dropped from a height, reached the ground at the same time. Astrologers saw a light in Newton's theories of gravitation. Newton formulated an equation, F equal G m1 and m2 d square, where F represents the force of attraction or repulsion between the two types of planetary masses m1 and m2, whose forces of attraction or repulsion is being examined. G is universal gravitational constant, and D is the distance between them. If one apples this relation to all the planets on earth, we get the date mentioned in the table. Although sun is a star and moon is a satellite of our earth, they were considered because of the importance of these two celestial bodies are called luminaries in astrology. Indian astrology lays emphasis on background stationary constellation. Thank you again, everybody. Thank you, the super astrologers and astrologers, Astro Federation in this world. We are all astro friends are united here. The most prestigious conference in London. We learn and teach our next generation of Astro-Vedantic lovers. Now we are all united to save our Shastra, to Shiva Shankalpa Vastu. Namo Brahmadibhyah Brahma Vidyam Sampradaya Kartibhyah Vanshari Om Purnamada Purnomidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnashya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Today